Good morning, students. Today, our topic is the simple past tense. So, please click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon to see our all videos. So, let us start our topic, the simple past tense. Simple past. Write down the sentence pattern structure table of simple past tense on your notebook: affirmative, negative and interrogative. We use simple past to refer to an action, event or state that took place in the past and completed by the time of speaking. कौनसी कार्य घटना बा अवस्था अतीत आरंभ हुई वर्तमान कहवा पूर्व शेष होइतिले सिंपल पास्ट व्यवहार करा जाए। यह सहित केतेक निर्दिष्ट समय सूचक क्रिया विशेषण व्यवहार हुई। We went to the market yesterday. It rained last night. I received a letter from my friend last week. We use the simple past for an action or an event that took place at a particular point of time in the past. अतीतरे एक निर्दिष्ट समय कौनसी कार्य वा घटना घटितिले सिंपल पास्ट व्यवहार करा जाए। For example, India got freedom in 1947. Gandhiji was born in 1869 and died in 1948. The Second World War broke out in 1939 and ended in 1945. We use the simple past for an action whose time is not given but which occupies a period of time in the past and ended before now. अतीतरे किछि समय बा काल रहितिबा अवस्था पई सिंपल पास्ट व्यवहार करा जाए। He lived in Sambalpur for 4 years. I worked in the bank for a long time. I studied in that school from 2001 to 2012. Used to. The habitual meaning of the simple past can also be expressed by used to. अतीतर कौनसी अभ्यास बा अवस्था किछि दिन चाली बंद होइतिले यूज्ड टू व्यवहार करा जाए। कार्यटी केते थर बा केते समय धरि होइतिला ताहा यूज्ड टू रे प्रकाश करा जाए नाही। I used to play football when I was a student. There used to be a beautiful temple in the past. Cuttack used to be the capital of Odisha. If two shorter actions happen at a time, when the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. Here you can see the picture. When my teacher of English asked me a question, I replied it. Here you can see the picture. To express the work of the person who is no more or dead. Kalidas wrote the Meghadoot. Here you can see the picture. Valmiki wrote the Ramayana. Here you can see the picture. Radhanath Rai wrote Chilika. Here you can see the picture. If the repeating verb is in past tense, repeated verb is also changed into past tense. He wanted to know where I lived. I asked him why he cheated me. My father asked me where I went. It is used for actions or events that took place at a definite time in the past, but the time is not mentioned. He bought this cycle in Bhubaneswar. I killed a snake. She studied in Ravenshaw College, Cuttack. We use simple past for reference to the present or future. वर्तमान और भविष्यतर अवास्तव बा काल्पनिक परिस्थिति विषय कहवा बेले सिंपल पास्ट व्यवहार हुई. If I had the wings, I would fly in a moment. This sentence really means I have no wings of a dove and I don't fly in a moment. It is a present imaginary condition. Here the past tense form had and would doesn't indicate the past time. It refers to the present time. If he worked hard, he would pass the exam. It means he doesn't work hard. Homework for you. Write down the questions and do the homework at your home. Here is the example for you. How did you learn to swim? My father taught me. Taught is the past tense or V2 form of teach. In this way, do the homework at your home. If you have any doubts, please contact me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.